Anu Nayanai.
Gajine Anu Alex.
And welcome back to my channel. You guys are amazing. You guys have been good. Tunaelekea 1,000, so keep subscribing. And as you can see, I'm with my very beautiful friend here. Her name is Alex, as you heard. We used to be in the same school.
Yeah.
So this is basically West meets East. By
good point.
Because I was in West and she was in East. Yeah, so we came together. She also has a channel. I'll put the details up over there. But we'll be doing a video about things you never tell
a woman.
Okay, so let's do this. So my first point is, don't ask a woman what is wrong with her face. If she has acne, like, never mention anything about a woman's face if she has like a problem. Because let me tell you something. Hakuna msichana anatoka kwa nyumba kama hajajiangalia kwa kioo.
Thank you. We all have mirrors.
We all have mirrors. So you know there's a pimple here, there's another one here, you don't mess. And if someone has acne, it has already messed with her.
With your esteem, actually.
With your esteem.
What happens mostly is that, like, when you have acne, you have so much insecurities. You know, who is looking at me, who is going to ask me, like, what happened to your face?
Yeah.
Maybe in family planning, maybe we all struggle, like, through so many things. So acha to make her feel uncomfortable, you know, like,
yeah, don't insist on it. Like, we already know, so don't talk about it, don't mention it.
True.
Okay.
So on the next point we have on my side, I get so many people, like, actually guys asking me, like, where do you do makeup? I love natural cheeks and as in natural people. For me, I think makeup makes me feel so happy. You do it for yourself. I don't think like you do makeup.
Good point. Good point.
You know.
Yeah.
So I do makeup to make me feel so good. Yeah. What do you think?
Let me tell you something. Everything that you're supposed to, everything that us women do, you guys need to know.
It's for our own satisfaction.
It's for our own satisfaction.
Yeah,
and if you're a lady and you're like 50-50 about makeup and all that, if it doesn't make you feel anything, it doesn't lift your spirits, then that's fine. But for someone, if they want to do makeup because it makes them feel better or good or confident, imagine don't talk about it.
Do not even judge. I also like get a lot from ladies, you know, like ladies who are natural beauty, you know, like I woke up like this, you know, no pimple, no anything. People are different.
People are very different. Yeah, people are very different.
Even you as a woman, you don't do makeup. It's your own like willing. Let those people who are willing to do makeup do makeup.
That's very true. I agree 100%.
So on to the next point.
About this one is about weight. I don't think it is right.
It is one of like my points.
You also have it in your points.
Yes, wait.
You do not ask a woman, or you do not tell a woman that she has either added or lost weight. Again, we have mirrors. We have mirrors in our house. We have clothes. You know, when you put on a cloth, you're like, I ain't going to shade anymore. It is not okay to tell a woman that she has lost or gained weight unless you guys have a certain relationship and unless you guys talk about certain things with that person. But msichana tu umepatana na yeye, she's a friend, whatever, and you guys are not that close and you're there telling her.
So on my point is, this question of weight, I think I have seen it on social media. It's a very sensitive topic.
Okay.
So in how you approach that, you know, neza kama nikwambie, but nowadays ume add weight unakaa fiti, ama nowadays you're so slim, kwani are you stressed? I think it's also the way you approach. Okay, you can tell me, oh, but you look so skinny but you look good. But don't come telling me, hey, unakaa so skinny, si utapatwa na anorexia or something, you know. There are people who are like that. You know, because me, like, I am so skinny and I'm so comfortable, like, with my weight. But unaona tu watu wengine, I'm skinny, like, you can see.
I wish you could see her body. She has like the finest body. Oh God.
But I'm skinny, like,
okay, you're not big.
I am not big, but you'll see. If, like, other people even have like an issue with your weight, you know, like anakuuliza, oh, wewe umekonda sana, si hata what weight. Then umekwambia nataka ku
add weight, yeah.
Day and night I'm struggling to even cut from where I am. Now unaniambia story ati ni add weight.
Let me tell you, come to think of it, I've come to realize that mostly us women, we're the ones who tell other women such kind of things.
Kabla upate actually anakuambia you're so skinny, you're so
big, you're so hippie.
I
love her.
She got the hips.
Every person, like every month, whatever, one month's meat is another month's poison. So there's someone who likes me the way I am, and then there's another person who likes the way Stella is. So wewe chukua poison yako na utembe.
It's also the same thing with let me put this point together, skin color. You know, like skin color. Kuna wase wanapenda melanin, kuna watu
wanapenda type yangu, wewe ni dark.
Thank you. Like wewe ni dark, kuna mtu anapenda like brown skin. You know, and like people have different variances. It depends, I think, with what you like and what, and the way you approach these things. I think it's all that matters according to what I think and what I feel.
Okay.
So on to the next point. Me, I have like a forehead. I have a forehead. You know, it's full of drama. You know, I understand like women with forehead, they're full of drama. They're full of shit. So you don't come tell a woman, ati you know, uko na forehead kubwa, sijaribu forehead si yako ni yangu.
Again, we have mirrors. Let me tell you, I realized I have a forehead, I think, nikiwa class 8.
I mean,
like that early, because nilikuwa natengeneza nywele ninaweka
like
so I know hizo memes zote mnatumianga mtu za
forehead dem ameja forehead ni drama tupu ni uji all those sort of things. So I think
we know that girls with foreheads are very pretty. Okay, I think we'll just end up saying that don't tell a woman about her appearance.
Yeah, true.
Don't talk about her appearance unless you guys have a certain relationship. Just don't tell her. Okay, my next point is I don't think it's right to ask a woman if she's on her period.
Thank you. Utapatana na mtu you have a pimple kana pop. I don't even know who told guys like when chicks have like pimples huku ama somewhere here, you know, it's that time of the who told you, who even asked you, ulisikia wapi? You know, it's so embarrassing.
Okay, sometimes it's the case, but it is none of your business.
You know, hata unaweza kuwa na pimple but it's not even your period. Ama is another thing that people salimia you and you're like, is it that time of the month?
Really?
Yeah. Like I think there was once like there was this guy who like said hi, and apparently it was true. I was like, it was that time of the month, and it's like, you're on your period. So I was like,
how did you know?
You know, still when you're reading of the hands, it's the way, I don't know.
I will research on that by the way. I've never had that by the way.
I was so surprised because it was so true, but I don't know. I'm not so sure.
Okay.
So on to the next is the next one is you never tell a woman that like they're loud. You know, we have different characters and personalities. Like people are attracted to different things. You know, I might be so like reserved, so and maybe that is what you like. Kuna mtu mwingine ni loud na ni yani, alafu kuna ile kukua loud and you're making sense. Then kuna ile kukua loud na there's nothing you're saying. But when you una approach a woman ukimwambia like you're loud.
But let me ask you, what does being loud mean? Because I think I'm loud. Like I love to be heard.
No,
what is
vocal?
Loud?
There are those women who are very, very like vocal on what like and their opinions, like with their opinions and everything. Loud in the sense that like you guys will hang out somewhere, you will go somewhere, hang out somewhere, then when I realize put them all over the place and I make friends with anyone.
Is that wrong?
No, not like friendship at ile like at she's all over like I love she's pointy kitolewa, she always has something to say about something.
Yeah,
you know.
Okay.
So many people tend to think like damn him loud, but have you taken time to listen to what she's trying to say?
Okay.
You know.
Okay.
So because you are loud but in a very beautiful and like in a very what would I say, you make a lot of sense, you know, like you have something you're talking about. Like like see, it's not like you're loud at
I think I get what you're saying. Yeah. I think it all goes down to choose your poison. Kuna kila mtu mwenye anapenda kitu yake. There's someone who can't be around me because they think I am too opinionated.
And then
and then there's a place I'll go. Mimi nikinyamaza tu kuna watu wako tu kwani what's going on? Are you sick? Uko na mood?
So you're both like introvert, extrovert. I think I'm also introverted and extrovert. It depends with
who you're hanging out with.
If you come here with a boring mood, nitakwambia mimi nimechoka. Nasikia nimebit. But ukikuja hapa na set in ya Jenny, I will go with the flow.
It will be two-way.
Yeah.
Okay.
So
on to the next point. You should never ask a woman if she's pregnant. You should never ask a woman if she's pregnant. Maybe akon amekula sana that day. Maybe she's on her periods. Yeah, we blot when we have our periods. So don't ask a a woman if she's expecting. It is so inappropriate. Maybe she doesn't, maybe hata kuna fertility issues.
True. Ama anaanza ku add weight zile za like ame add tu ka weight kadogo, unamwangalia you like ama even kuva big hoodies.
Yeah.
No, like kuna kitu na feature. Kuna kitu na feature, but I don't think like okay, hata kama uta realize some changes, si ujinyamazia mpaka siku yenyewe utaona.
Don't ask a woman if she's pregnant.
Yeah, please don't.
It is so wrong.
So the next one is about age. For me kwanza, it is an abomination to ask how old I am. Not even okay. It is disrespect. You know, you can't alafu kwanza nowadays when you're getting to know someone, like at this time, how old are you? What does age got to do with anything? I have met like way older people who don't even make sense. Like akikwambia like I'm 40, you're like, are you for real? You're 40?
Yeah.
Utapata na msi yako 20 anakuongelesha and ana make a lot of sense. It got nothing to do with even in achieving so many things. It got nothing to do with like your age.
Me, my only problem about age is that every time I tell someone my real age, because I don't think I tell people my real age. Every time I tell people my real age, they tend to they want you to behave like that kind of age. So if you're too mature, they're like, na mbona uko mature, na mbona umejieka hivi, na mbona siju, enda na watu wengine, enda you go and have fun, you know. Like I don't like that. I like it when you talk to me, or you what do I say, like ukae na mimi because of who I am, not because of how old I am.
Not true.
Then
it? Maturity for me it's not age.
It is not age.
I keep on saying that. Then different backgrounds, like influences of who you are. You know, there are people who mature way, like when they are very young. You know, come for example, if you're a firstborn, you're supposed to take care like of your siblings. You're forced to mature up so fast. Unlike mse mwenye ni last born mwenye amekuja when amebembelezwa na wengine. So it has nothing to do with anything.
I agree.
Yeah.
I agree. Okay, I think this is the last point. I don't know if we'll have bonus point, but my last point is don't ask me when I'm getting married, or just don't ask a woman when she's getting married. How is it your business? How is it your business?
Yeah, actually, but this comes from society. You know, often than not, like maybe when we are at our age, you know, are you seeing someone our age, you know, can you see someone potential, you know, unaoleka lini,
ni wewe tunangoja kwanza when you go to a wedding. Lakini I kind of tend to excuse those people because I even know my mom will ask some of my cousins. So I tend to excuse some of
them. They don't go like direct to ask you. What they do, wanapitianga njia ya nyuma, you know, like for your cousins. Unamuonanga na mtu ama, you know, that kind of thing.
But for people that we hang out with, how is it your business when I'm getting married?
Actually, I just turned 22.
You look 22, honey. You look 22.
I just turned 22. Oh my God! Like you can't even believe that. Imagine asking me how. Okay, it's out there. I am 22 years. Satisfied?
Now you know.
Now you know. 22.
I think that's about it. You guys can tell us if anything that you feel like you need to add to the list. I think there's so many things. If you ever felt offended when someone asked you something, please feel free to add in the comment section. Let's engage there. Thank you for. Imagine she hosted. She's the one who's hosted me. Thank you for hosting me and thank you for coming to my channel. I'm sure they'll love you. As I said, she also has a channel. I'll leave the details on the description box, and you'll be seeing her face a lot more often. So get used to it. Olesere Kanyorolin.